Hello YouTube, I am Budgiekens. I've never done a vlog before, so this is quite different. What I usually like to do is stop motion animation. I like to do it with leaves, or ducks, or snowman. I also like to animate this guy into my videos. He's quite weird and evil. Okay, so I'm looking on my computer to see what I actually have to talk about. And it looks like...
Have you been to YouTube gathering? Yes, what has been your favourite gathering? Most likely don't know what's been stopping you to come here to officially sign up for a gathering. There's no gathering so much.
Okay, so now that I know what I'm going to talk about, I was assigned to talk to you about gatherings. I've never actually been to a gathering, mostly because of scheduling. So I guess I have to give you a spoof video of what I think goes on at gatherings. Maybe they play some music. Maybe some dancing. Or they probably go to restaurants and eat food. Or maybe at gatherings people...
Hey, it's Fred!
That gathering was kind of scary. The link is in the doobly-doo, and I will see you later.